remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your
See the farm. हे आहे हर्षी चॉकलेट फॅक्टरी टूर आहे ही. हे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट असतं इथे. इथे आपण येऊन ह्यांच्यात बसायचं या ट्रॉलीजमध्ये आणि ते आपल्याला संपूर्ण हर्षीचा टूर करतात. म्हणजे आपल्याला दाखवतात की कसे चॉकलेट्स कशा पद्धतीने केले जातात अँड ऑल. सो दिस राईड वी हॅव टू सिट अँड एन्जॉय.
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines and strain and thoroughly brew them onto parts like
Cocoa beans
and
येते.
pound pot.
Now the beans are getting blended.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Beans are being getting blended. Powder.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into
Now
large
it is going to be
revolving
getting
roasters, which
roasted.
get extremely hot. Toasty in
See,
here,
we can
isn't
feel
it?
the hotness, na? The beans are being getting
Next, we
blended
quickly
hot.
cool the beans and feed them into a breaking chamber,
Yes.
which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs.
See, now they are crushing the beans.
A good friend of mine is with us to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every article gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious.
No, they are showing us. Now the milk. Yes. It's a milk.
Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Yes. You can feel the smell. See, the smell is coming of chocolate.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture. And of course, that wonderful smell.
Now the chocolate mixing is going on with the milk. See?
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform
Yes.
consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb, until it reaches.
We temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor line. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dawn box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. Mine's personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
So sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go is for the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
See ya. Smile for your picture.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step on a moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming!
Bye-bye.